In today's video, I am going to teach you how to filter data in Microsoft Excel. Filtering data in Excel is a simple way to focus on only the information you want to see, without deleting or changing the rest of your spreadsheet. This is especially useful when you have a table with many rows, such as a list of products, dates, names, categories, totals, or status updates. A filter lets you temporarily hide rows that do not match what you are looking for, so your worksheet becomes easier to read and analyze. To begin, open the Excel worksheet that contains the table you want to filter. Make sure your data is arranged in a clean table format, with headers at the top of each column. These headers are important because Excel uses them to decide where the filter menus should appear. For example, your headers might describe what each column contains, such as category, price, date, or status. Now highlight your table headers. You only need to select the header row, not the entire table. This tells Excel which row contains the labels for your data. If your table has clear headers, filtering will be much easier because each column will have its own filter menu. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct row at the top of your data, because this is where the drop-down arrows will appear. Next, go to the top menu and click Data. The Data tab contains tools that help you organize, sort, and manage information in your worksheet. Once you click it, you should see several options related to working with data. This is where Excel keeps the filtering feature, along with other tools for sorting and cleaning up information. After you are on the Data tab, click Filter. When you do this, Excel will add small drop-down arrows to the headers you selected. These arrows are the controls you will use to choose what information should stay visible and what information should be hidden. If the arrows appear on your column headers, that means the filter has been turned on successfully. Now click the drop-down arrow on the column header you want to filter. Choose the column that contains the information you want to narrow down. For example, if you want to show only certain categories, use the drop-down arrow in the category column. If you want to focus on a specific status, use the status column. The menu that opens will show the available items in that column. In the filter menu, uncheck the items you want to hide. This means Excel will temporarily remove those rows from view, while keeping the rest of your data safely in place. Be careful to leave checked only the items you still want to see. If there are many items in the list, take your time and review the selections before applying the filter. This helps make sure the final view shows exactly the data you need. Once you have unchecked the items you want to hide, click OK. Excel will immediately update the worksheet and display only the rows that match your selected filter choices. The hidden rows are not deleted. They are simply being filtered out of the current view. This makes filtering a safe and useful option when you need to review specific information while keeping the original table intact. You should now see a smaller, more focused set of data on your screen. The filtered column header may also show a filter indicator, which lets you know that a filter is currently active on that column. This is helpful when you return to the worksheet later and want to remember which column is controlling the visible results. And that is all there is to it. You have filtered data in Microsoft Excel by highlighting your table headers, turning on the filter option, choosing a column, hiding selected items, and applying the filter with OK.